All right, number 5. 5 and 8 tenths times 1 and 2 tenths. 5 and 8 tenths times 1 and 2 tenths. Now, you do not have to line up your decimals when you multiply. They just happen to line up. Now, do not touch that decimal until the end. 2 times 8 is 16, carry my 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Placeholder, because now we're in the second number. Don't touch those decimals. That's at the end. So we have a placeholder. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 5 is 5. Now I'm going to add 6, 9, 6. Now, decimal. All right, so let's look at our decimal real quick. Get that here. Notice there's one place behind that decimal, one place behind that decimal. That's 1 and 1 for a total of needs to be 2 places behind the decimal. So your decimal is going to have to go right here. So you have 1, 2. All right, so 5 and 8 tenths times 1 and 2 tenths gives me 6 and 96 hundredths.